Hello and welcome to the next episode. We have been on holiday in southern Brazil, experiencing the most wonderful Italian culture, Italian food and hospitality and wine, and dancing at Brazilian carnival. It has been truly epic. Thank you to the Graziotin family who live right there. This is Antonio Prado, a truly beautiful Italian town in southern Brazil. And here we are back in the UK, from one vintage VW to another, going to pick up some IBC containers from a factory just about a mile away. I hope they fit. I did measure them. Bingo, well done. Epic. His name is not actually Bingo. Off we go. At least they're empty. Back at the ranch, as they say. The next chap didn't want to risk putting it in with his forklift, but that's okay. With a squash and a squeeze, as Julia Donaldson once said. Just to think, a week ago I was in beautiful southern Brazil in summer. And here we are back in the UK in spring. Life is beautiful. I collected 4 altogether. I'm going to put 2 of them around the other side of the garden in the hedge, just to keep them safe and out the way. This trolley has been amazing. I cannot tell you how good it's been. It comes from a company called Pars. It's like walking the dog, isn't it? I will put a link in the description below. They sell all sorts of cool stuff. I will be purchasing some black covers for these, but for now they can sit under the trees until I can figure out a way how to pump the water from another IBC that's attached to the gutters. Thanks so much for watching. In the next little film I'm going to be building this little seat at the top of the garden out of hazel. And also, I started to make a massive gazebo, kitchen extension workshop out of scaffolding. See you in the next episode. Here is some super lovely footage of Antonio Prado in southern Brazil in the state of Rio Grande do Sul. Should we go once around the square?
Go.
Yeah, come on.
Time to go. Everybody will be waiting there otherwise.
This is where the first Italian immigrants came to live in Brazil in 1899.
Be careful, don't stay very much cold.
The town is named after its founder, Antonio Prado. All the streets are still cobbled,
Yes.
and there are many historical original houses, like this one here, the green one opposite.
Dio Santa. Então. Boom, 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 boom. Ó, a minha escola. Uma escola.
They're looking for somewhere to park. Hello. This is fun.
Yeah, go. Be careful.
Yeah, oh shit, we keep forgetting there's a stop.
Yeah, you need to be careful.
Okay, round we go.
Slowly, yeah.
And we'll just park on the side, yeah?
Yeah, that's fine.
Because they're going to want to park their cars, so we just park here.
Turn off.
Yes.